Donyetta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dietta, where we discuss all things fabulous. And by fabulous, I mean we're going to cover high-low style, health, beauty, makeup, lifestyle. Honey, we got it all. So if you're looking for a YouTube channel that covers all things fabulous, you are in the right place. Today's video is going to be short and sweet. I am constantly looking for bands for my Apple Watch. I love wearing the Apple Watch, but I really would like bands that are more on the fashionable side. And so I constantly rotate out my watch bands, but I've been on the hunt for something that just fit my style a little bit more than these rubber bands or the cloth bands that you can get. So I was browsing through YouTube and I saw a video where a young lady found a vendor that repurposes allegedly authentic Louis Vuitton leather and makes Apple watches, well, the watch bands rather. And so I ordered one and it just got here. I haven't opened it up yet. And so that's what this video is all about. We're gonna see A, how it looks, and two, do we really think this is authentic Louis Vuitton leather? Before we get to that, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will never miss the upload of a new and fabulous video. If this is your first time, thank you for joining me. I hope that you enjoy your time here. If you are a return viewer, thank you for rocking with me. I appreciate you. You can also head on over to Instagram and follow me there. I am Dietta on Instagram as well. And there you will get real-time updates of this fabulous ride that I call life. So as I mentioned, I was watching a YouTube video and I'll link it below. And a young lady was talking about how she purchased what she believes to be an authentic Louis Vuitton leather Apple Watch band. I don't believe that Louis Vuitton officially makes Apple Watch bands. I looked on their website and I ain't see it, y'all. And if you know anything about me, then you know that Louis Vuitton is my first love when it comes to like houses of fashion, houses of design. And so I went to the link that was in the young lady's video and I clicked and the watch band was gonna come from Turkey. And I think the shipping was like 15 bucks. But just because I wanted to do a little bit more due diligence, I went to Google, I typed in Louis Vuitton Apple Watch bands, and I found a seller on Etsy that is also located in Turkey and that had a lot of great reviews. And of course, I'll drop the link down below and the shipping was free. So I stepped out on faith and I ordered an Apple Watch band. Okay. So here's the watch band. Y'all know I'm gonna go over this with a fine-tooth comb, right? So I'll go ahead and take my existing band off of my watch, put this on, and continue to inspect it. So now what I did do, because I love Louis Vuitton, I have several Louis Vuitton pieces, and so I pulled two of my wallets that are also in the monogram, and I'm gonna just look and see, child. So I have this wallet here. I don't remember the name of this one. And then I have this one. I know this is the Josephine. If I just had to eyeball it, I think this is real leather. I think the texture is similar to Louis Vuitton. I don't think that I'm gonna say that this is authentic. Just looking at the LV. Yeah. I mean, but they did a good job. Like looking at the leather, the texture of the leather is the same, but when I'm just looking at like this LV here, I don't know, y'all. I don't know, man. I can't even call it. So I think it's real leather. I will say that I do believe that it is real leather. I don't know if they are actually out here cutting up Louis Vuitton bags, wallets, whatever. And this is the LV and the monogram. It would be the canvas print. So, but yeah, if I were crazy enough to be out here cutting up Louis Vuitton, I mean, but it do look good, don't it? Would I be selling it for 65 bucks? For 60 bucks, I mean, no skin off of my back, right? And so, yeah, I was really interested to see like what it was gonna look like and if I would be able to tell that it is real. And I'm touching it and I'm comparing it with some of my wallets, and I just genuinely cannot call it, y'all. Like this bumpy effect. I hope you can see that. That bumpy effect that you can see in these wallets. Like you can also see that same bumpy effect in the watch band. But the thing that I noticed that's different, I can't recall if it was like this, like straight up when I got it, or if this is something that has happened over time. But like if you look ever so lightly in the monogram that's on the canvas, you can see like through it a little bit. You can see like little speckles of the brown that's underneath it. Like you see there, see what I'm talking about? And it's ever so lightly. On here, you can't. Now, mind you, so for sure, like see right here, you can't see through that brown at all. But I will say it is spot on, and I'll insert a picture with it laying against a like plain background surface so that you guys can see. I'll take this off and I'll lay it. This is just a strip of what this is. But I will say, like, as far as the color of the brown, and even as far as the color of the little, I don't even know what these are called, the Louis Vuitton. I know it's not a Florida, whatever the thing is, like for the New Orleans Saints. But like the colors are spot on, whether we're talking about the color, the dark brown color, and then this light khaki doo-doo brown color. It's spot on. I can't call it, y'all. I'm gonna keep it. Like I said, I don't even want to know how much it's gonna cost to send this back to Turkey. But do I think that this is authentic, repurposed Louis Vuitton leather? Nah. I just don't know who's out there cutting up Louis Vuitton. So again, I cannot vouch for the authenticity of this. It does appear to be real leather. Like I said, it even smells like leather, but I cannot just for sure say that they have actually repurposed a piece of Louis Vuitton something and made a watch band for my wearing pleasure. But for $60, I got a leather watch band that appears to be Louis Vuitton. So, I don't know. You guys drop me a comment and let me know what you think. If you had Louis Vuitton, would you repurpose it by cutting it up to make a watch band? And if you did do that, would you sell it for $60? So, yeah, drop me a comment and you guys let me know what you think. Like I said, it's real if you want it to be. I do not advocate and I do not own any counterfeit things. I love a good dupe. I love something that was inspired by somebody else. Y'all know, designers do it all the time. Steve Madden is a big, derived his inspiration from somebody else type of, designer. But this is going to be real if I want it to be. And I was told that it was authentic, and so I'm just going to ride with it. Well, I wanted to share that with you all. I didn't know what the outcome was going to be. I'm not disappointed, even though I just can't like look at it for sure and be like, oh, they repurposed some piece of Louis Vuitton and I got this for a steal. And now I have my Apple Watch band. So, I mean, was it worth the $60? Yeah. And it really, literally, I ordered it Saturday and it got here today, which is Wednesday. So there you have it, ladies and gents. Again, if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This is the place for all things fabulous, and you are fabulous, and so you need to be here consistently, and I don't want you to miss a new upload. So when you subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that way, ding, 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 you will know in real time every time I drop something for you. I post 2 times a week, sometimes on 3 if I have some bonus material that I want to share with you guys, and so I promise to always keep you entertained. I promise to always share fabulous things with you. And I promise that I'm going to do my best to inspire you to be your fabulous self as well, because I know it's in you. It's in all of us, right? Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am Dieta there as well. And so as soon as you finish watching this video, hit pause, because I want you to continue watching some more videos. Go on over to Instagram, find me, follow me, and we are going to stay connected, okay? So that is it for this here video of my repurposed Louis Vuitton Apple Watch band. I am going to catch you guys on the next video. And until then, stay fabulous.